Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Walmart Plus for Paramount Plus. Alright, so let's begin. First, sign up for Walmart Plus membership if you haven't already. Walmart Plus is a subscription service that offers various benefits including discounts and perks. Occasionally, Walmart Plus offers promotions or perks that may include subscriptions or discounts for streaming services like Paramount Plus. Check the Walmart Plus website or app for any current offers related to Paramount Plus. If there is a promotion or offer available for Paramount Plus, follow the specific instructions provided by Walmart Plus. This might involve visiting a specific link or entering a promo code during the sign-up process for Paramount Plus. If you don't have a Paramount Plus account already, you'll need to create one. Visit the Paramount Plus website or app and follow the steps to create an account and choose a subscription plan. Once you've redeemed the offer and signed up for Paramount Plus, you can start enjoying their streaming content. So that's basically how you can use Walmart Plus for Paramount Plus. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.